Welcome to the List Help videos. This video is for clients who have approval to pay their list account by invoice. It will show you how to purchase the documents you've added to your cart. Note that you need to have a list account which is approved for invoicing to do this. If you do not have a list account yet, other videos on our YouTube channel will help you create one. Click on the link in the top right of screen to view that now. To view the contents of your cart, click on the cart link next to the cart icon in the top right of the screen. Your cart will appear. The documents you've selected will be shown, along with the property details and document price. You can modify the contents of your cart. If you decide that you don't require a document, you can remove it from your cart by selecting the relevant checkbox and then clicking on the rubbish bin icon. You can view a document in your cart by clicking on the purchase link under the Your Documents column. Please be aware that as soon as you purchase a document, you won't be able to remove it from your cart. To return to your cart after viewing a document, click on the Back button in your browser. A PDF icon will be shown for the document that you viewed. You can delete all the items in your cart that you haven't yet purchased by clicking on the Clear Unpurchased Items button. You can add charge details or a client reference for a document. Charge details are optional and will appear on your monthly list invoice. To add charge details for a document, select it by clicking on the relevant checkbox. Enter the charge details in the box below your cart and click Update Charge Details. The details you entered will now appear in the Charge Details column. If you try to log out while you have documents in your cart, you'll be given a choice to Finish Order or Force Logout. Click Force Logout to abandon your cart. If you have viewed documents in your cart, these charges will be added to your monthly list invoice automatically. Click Finish Order if you want to return to your cart and finalize your order. Once you're happy with the contents of your cart and you're ready to begin your purchase, click on Account Purchase. Your order will appear with an order number at the top. PDFs for your documents will be shown. Click on a PDF link to open a document. You can print the document now or save it to your computer, which will allow you to access it again at a later time. Use the Back button in your browser to return to the other documents. Please note that if you close your browser, you will need to log in to the list again and return to your account. You can access documents that you've purchased within the past 14 days by clicking on My Account at the top of the list homepage. Under the Orders and Invoices section, click on View Client Orders. You can open an order by clicking on the blue icon and then open the relevant documents by clicking on the PDF links. I hope this video has been helpful for you. If you found it useful, please like it below and subscribe to our channel by clicking on the link in the top right corner of your screen. There are more videos and help resources available on the Land Information System Tasmania YouTube channel and the List website, or you can contact the Client Services Help Desk by phone or email.